Hi guys, hope all is well with everyone today. So today is my official room tour. I'm like, I want to say 97, 98% finished. I'm just waiting on like a little decal, which I'll show you later, but I'm just waiting for this one little thing to go on this wall, and pretty much I'm done. That's it. So I'm not gonna babble. Let's jump right in because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. So have a snack and let's get this tour on the road. All right guys, so you enter from here. Behind there is my living room. This is just a stand that I got from Home Depot where I put my robe and my ironing board and all that good stuff. And then we're gonna move a little bit over here. It's a painting. I believe I got that from Home Goods. I want to say almost 2-3 years ago. I've moved this painting so many. You probably see it was in my bedroom, and one time was in my living room, and now it has made it into my beauty room. Hang my hats is from Amazon. Jewelry stand thing. Beautiful plaque that my husband got for me for my birthday or anniversary. So yeah, I love that. So yeah, and these, like I said, this, if I didn't say, this is just where I hold like all my accessories and all that good stuff. Nothing too crazy. We move over here. I'm gonna have to back up a little bit. I have to zoom out. I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit from top. This is actually, so these are my Billy bookshelf from IKEA with an extender. The extender starts right here, right across. This is one bookshelf. The middle part is one, and this is one. So I just kind of join them together. My bags up there, those bags storage is from Amazon. Yeah, the shoe stands actually from Aldo. They were going out of business years ago, and I picked those up. My wedding shelf. These are my wedding shoes. The blue bag was a touch of blue for my wedding. That was our colors, royal blue. And these are just my engagement box, our wedding box. My fragrance that I wore for my wedding was Jimmy Choo Floral. So I only wear that really on our anniversary or so forth. So that's pretty much full. And yeah, and then there's just my shoes, sneakers, sandals, wedge, some accessories, some more purse, my wallets, and some more purse at the bottom. And then when we move over here, that is actually a hat bag storage. So I put some hats and scarves in there. Those are my purse, my shoes. Now we move down. This is my beautiful, I love this. This is my updated, semi-decluttered perfume rack. I did it by colors, from my pinks, my whites, down to my golds and my greens. So yeah, I'm still gonna have to declutter a couple more bottles because I need some more space. I get that done, I'll come back and do an update perfume collection, because I don't think I've done one in a while. And I really have some ones that I'm really loving, and I want to feature that real soon. So I'm gonna have to definitely try to work on that video. Wondering, today's scent is Delia Blanc. That's a Valaya dupe. I love that. I'll probably put a picture here close up, but it's like literally right in that corner, that silver bottle right top. That's it right there. I'll put a picture so you can see up close. Stand that I use for like my hair clips and headbands and all that. I don't know, because I don't know what happened. It looks like that. I might have to get a new one because I do not want that to break and fall. Sprays and mist. Over here are just like some backup eyeglasses case and sunglasses case I have here, and a little perfume set that I have there from Donna Karan. Moving a little back, this is my body oil. I have like maybe 1 or 2 brown sugar babes. You'll see the others that I have on the other wall, but these are just my lotion. Some I have from Brown Sugar Babe, Saltaire, Fleur, all that stuff. This love right here, these vase are from Z Gallery. I cannot tell you how many times I wanted to buy this vase, and they just were just a little pricey, but I got them on a deal. So I got 2. I only got small, medium, and one day I will get the large. If you know Z Gallery, they sell good stuff. If you know, you know. The table here, my husband actually had this from years ago from his old apartment, well, before we got together, and I just incorporated it in my room. That's a little laundry bin. That's a clock. And over here, he got me this lovely bar, the Velour bar. I hope I'm saying it right. I got 3, so I put up 1. I have 2 little mini ones. I haven't put them up yet, but I love this. And he also got me this rod that I love, that I can just go up there, like if I want to like get a bag or anything. I just grab it and bring it down. I love this pod. I've used it so many times. So it's over there. My curtains are from Lauren Ashley from Home Goods. My TV, my ring light, these are right here. Move a little closer. So this bag is a bag I picked up from a local boutique that I have. Jazz it up with some chains that I found at the local thrift store and Amazon for the keychain. Over here is a vase that my mom gave me years ago, and I got the pampas grass and the decor from Michaels. Everything here came from Michaels except the vase. Over here is my skincare fridge. I've had this for so many years. I believe I got this from Amazon Black Friday sale. Over here, over here is my favorite, a couple of my favorite people. Two ladies, along with my dad, are my foundation. This lady, unfortunately, I lost my grandmother a couple years ago, and when I tell you I miss her every day, we all miss her every day. I talk about her all the time. I have to have pictures of her around. It just makes me feel complete. I don't know how to explain it. If anyone has ever gone through grief, it's just time. Honestly, time makes it a little bit easier and you're able to cope. But when I tell you, I said to my family and friends, you need a grandmother. You needed to be raised by a grandmother. A grandmother's prayer is what's going to get you through, especially in this world. Anywho, this is a jewelry box that a friend of mine gave to me about 7 years ago. I love this. I keep like all my studs and little jewelry in here. Here's another jewelry box that I purchased, I think from Burlington years ago as well. I kind of keep more like a vintage. I have like my mom's jewelry that she's passed down to me in here. Right, guys, I'm sorry if you could hear they're like cutting grass outside. But this is a new item. I got this from TikTok. I'll put a picture on the screen because I don't remember the name, but it's really convenient. I have like some backup tank tops and some backup products in there. So yeah, this right here is actually my old vanity. I have not found somewhere to put this yet. So you have probably seen that video of me setting up my new vanity. So it's still here. I'm waiting to see what I'm gonna do with. I'm just waiting to see where I'm gonna put this. We're gonna move. So we're gonna move over here. Just give you an overview. This picture right here is from a video I did years ago. My husband now, but when we were dating, one of our first Valentine's, he made this. I love it because it's like a metal. I love this because it's like a metal. So I have this here. It was like a Valentine's look. I guess he said this is his favorite picture. So he had this made for me in my old place. So yeah, so that's that. These are my mini perfumes that I have over here that I've just started collecting not so long ago. The shells are from Five Below. Right on the top is just my knickknacks, my water, my pens, my lotions, body care, all that good stuff. In here is just basically more backup stuff, storage stuff like toothbrush, toothpaste, shower gel, all that good stuff. The vanity area. So drawers are from Michaels. The desktop is from Lowe's. The chairs from Home Depot, and the mirror, TikTok shop. And I will have a picture of the store that I purchased it from. Over here are just like my lip gloss that you guys never get to see because I'm always sitting here. Like my lip gloss, little combs, brushes, eyeliner, makeup stuff that you guys never get to see because I just sit right here and you guys are right there. So yeah, you never get to see that, but that's what's behind the scenes a little bit over here. And so this wall, here's another picture that my husband had made for me as well. For I think a Christmas. He said he loved this picture. I think it was like Get to Know Me video that I did years ago. So he screenshot it and got that blown up for me. These two perfume sprays from the Athena line from Target. These cabinets are the ones from Five Below that went super viral, so I was able to get my hands on too. So now I'm gonna do maybe a little declutter. So when I do that, I'm definitely gonna get back to you guys. Hey guys, I just want to pop this in because I know you're watching the room tour. I actually changed out this this little space to kind of make it a little bit more organized. I got this organization it normally swivels from Home Goods, TJ Maxx. This is from I think Home Goods. That was a gift. This was actually from Five Below, and the rest containers from Target, and those are my brushes. So that's how I kind of did this space. And then if you move over here, I finally got to organize the my oils. So these are basically, let me open up. I just want to pop these in. So basically, oh, it's also gonna open the door. So these are like all my sand and fog, Up here, my sand and fog, I did those. Those are my samples with different sand and fogs and a little bit of brown sugar babes. And up here is all my brown sugar babes. And in that corner right there is my Nest, which I love. That is just a great strawberry scent. So I just want to give you an overview, and that's it. We're gonna continue with the rest of the tour. These are my travel size container where I have my perfumes. Where I go on trips, I kind of take these along with some other ones as well. The container, I believe, is from Marshalls or Home Goods. This is a sunglass rack that I have that I put all my sunglasses where I just want to grab and go. So I have that over here. Now you move on. So this is a garland I put up a couple days ago just to kind of get it so cute. That is my Hello Gorgeous, which so my balloon is covering it now, but this is my Hello Gorgeous. I got this from the TikTok shop. I definitely will leave a picture of the company that I purchased it from. I really love that sign. Also, we'll put a picture of what it looks like when it has the lights on. I got it from Facebook Marketplace, I believe. Got from my hubby for Valentine's Day along with the velour bar. So I love that. Picture back there. I think I got that from TJ Maxx. It's this purchase from Victoria's Secret. The stand here that holds my jewelry is from Michael's. That bag is from Aldo's. The other bag, these two bags here that you can see, those are from my local boutique. The stand also is from Michael's. This is from Home Goods with a diffuser. This is from Home Goods. This is from Burlington. And over here, let me move some collage of my grandmother. That's how she looked when she was so young. That's my grandma's mama. Yes, my grandmother. I call her mama. Yeah, that's her. That's her and one of our family friends. That's her in her garden. If you know that she loves her garden. So she's always in. That's one of my favorite pictures of her and my daughter. So my brother took these pictures. He's like a photographer. And he took the other one that you saw before with my mom. We all dressed up at my mom's house and we did that. So that was a good memory. This is the IKEA drawers, Alex drawers. Yes, these I remember. These are the Alex drawers. Yep, these are the Alex drawers. I did that, and I love this because I put this together myself. So I'm always proud about this project. So over here, okay, let me go back. So then we move over here, and this is just my lounge set. I love it because I can watch TV behind me. So this is with my little chair. From my husband's first apartment, I recovered it. I loved it. The blanket is from Home Goods. I'll put a picture of the name because I don't remember the name, but I did take a picture of the tag, so I'll put that there. So it's from there. It's super soft, I must say. And I did like a light green just because my walls are like light green, like a light mint green. So I did that. Pillows from Home Goods. This beautiful pillow is actually from a boutique that was going out of business, and I purchased it from her. Mirrors from Home Goods. So waiting on something. I'm going to put a picture here of the words, like the decal that I want to put right here. So it's going to stay that. So I'm happy with that. And then if we move over here, I forgot to mention, this behind the mirror is a headboard. And I just kind of like it because it looks like art. So I just kind of leave that there. Some of my earrings that I display. I got the display rack from Michael's. So I display some of my earrings. They were on that Alex drawer, but I kind of like it over here. Beautiful piece here. I don't know if you saw any of my other videos. My mom bought this for me for maybe 6 years ago. I'm not sure where she got it, but I love this. It has like a drawer and then it opens up. I have storage stuff in there. And then on top, I love this. This is one of the Victoria's Secret perfumes. It's a shimmers. I just think it's cute, so I kind of leave it there. And here are my other travel size perfume that I make. A decanter, some I got from my fragrance net, Scentbird, and I keep that in there. So if I'm on my way out, I just grab something and put it in my bag. And guys, that's the end of the tour. So please like and subscribe. Oh, before I forget, my rug. I'm gonna put a picture here. My rug is from Amazon. I believe it's discontinued, but I'm still gonna put a picture. Maybe you can find something similar to that, but I love it. You can know the size of the rug. I love it. It's super soft, so cool. All right, guys, so please like and subscribe. You have it, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.